but I wanted to keep it 10 to 1 because I wanted to use it on the dash. Something just flew up my nose. Welcome back to Fab Automotive Detailing. You guys, in this video we have a 2021 Ford F-150 behind me that I am tasked to clean the inside of it. This is a truck that gets used on a farm weekly. Has dirt in it, it's had stuff spilled in it. It's not terrible, but it's definitely a good candidate to use the brand new product from Phoenix EOD called the Kraken. Let's do it. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna show you what the inside of the truck looks like. The Kraken, I have it diluted 10 to 1, so 10 parts water, 1 part of Kraken. So it's 1.5 ounces of Kraken and 14.5 ounces of water in the 16-ounce bottle. Now on Phoenix's website, and most likely it'll be on my website also, you can buy just the concentrate, or you can buy a kit that comes with an empty bottle and a dilution ratio, or a gallon with dilution ratio. And then he also gives you a dilution ratio sheet also in that kit, so you know how to dilute it. Let me show you guys what that looks like. So on the dilution ratio, and the GoPro's not the greatest at this, it gives you 16-ounce dilution, 32-ounce bottle dilutions, 128-ounce, and hence 640-ounce P. Pint, quart, gallon, and 5 gallons. And it's all from 1 to 1 up to 128 to 1. Pretty cool. I just stuck it on the side of my cabinet, you guys, and I've always got the dilution ratios here. And this is good for pretty much any product, really, if you think about it. So it gives you all your dilution ratios. All right, so let me show you what the inside of the truck looks like. I have been doing test spots just to see. As you can see, this side looks way better compared to this. And I think they sprayed something on here to try to clean whatever they spilled, because it's got like soda everywhere, and I think that's why it's turning it white. So this looks way better, but whatever they put on here and here and on the other side, it's doing something to that rubber. As you can see, we've got something spilled there. The dashboard's just dusty. I tested a spot right here. You can see it looks fantastic. And then right here, they spilled something and went all the way up underneath the seat and all the way up to the front. That was also right here, which it removed. I'll show you guys. More stuff spilled right there. And dirt all the way over there. I'll show you guys back here, me cleaning it. Let me go up here and show you the driver's side. Obviously the driver's side is gonna always be the dirtiest. The plastic. This rubber floor, I guess is what you'd call that. But yeah, you can see where they were wiping. So they used some strong chemical on this floor. And then a lot of dirt inside here. But we're gonna do the best we can on the floor in the front. I'm not sure what we're gonna do because of whatever they wiped on it kind of made it white, but let's just see what it'll do. All right, guys, so I do wanna show you something really quick. So you notice the color green that the Kraken is at full strength. And then it almost barely looks like it's not even in here. I shook it up really well. Just very, very high dilution ratios, which is great. We're gonna start here. I moved the seat forward. You guys can see where stuff's been spilled underneath. They tried wiping up here. You can see it. And there, they tried to get rid of it. Didn't know what they were doing, obviously, and made the rubber all white back here also. But Junior's gonna hold the camera. We're gonna get to going. Remember, this is 10 to 1. I'm just gonna spray it up here where they spilled stuff, where they've already been trying with some type of chemical to clean it. And we're gonna take a stiff bristled brush. We're just gonna come in and agitate. Okay, pretty easy. Let's see if we got it in the first run here. Follow it up with a dry towel. Okay, now that looks way better, but whatever they used to try and clean it is still leaving white behind, you can see. But the juice stains are gone, or whatever it was, soda stains. The dirt that was all right in this area like this, it's gone. So the Kraken does exactly what you want it to do. It removed all of that. That looks fantastic. It's underneath the seat. So over here is going to look even better. So let's go ahead and clean this section right here. It should end up looking like this section. This is a brush I got off Amazon that I just cut down. It makes the bristles a little stiffer so you can get in to all this grain. Yeah, that looks fantastic. Let me show you guys. Look how nice this looks. Except for where they wiped a whole bunch with a chemical they shouldn't have used. But right here, looks really, really good. Let's move on. All right, you guys, so I decided to get the bigger brush out in the back just to make it a little bit faster on this big floor. This makes it foam better with these longer bristles. Let me show you guys. It actually foams up pretty nice. Dilution ratio is still the same. I didn't change anything. But it's something to do with these longer bristles. Man, it foams up fantastic. That's gonna help bring all the dirt to the surface and you just wipe it up. Reminds me of like using a carpet shampoo. So the bigger bristle seems to agitate it better than the stiffer bristles that I had. And that works fantastic, you guys. All right, you guys, so the back is done. Okay, so here's the plastic right here. There's a lot of shadowing going on, but here, I'm gonna do this so you guys can see it. How dirty this plastic is. Okay, we're just gonna come in, we're gonna brush it. You get a long working time with this stuff too. It doesn't dry out really fast, which is fantastic. Gives you plenty of time to get in here and agitate what you need to agitate. Work what you need to work. Take a wet towel. Take a dry towel. That thing looks brand new. Other than something just flew on it. Let me get rid of the shadows for you. Actually, there's still a little bit of dirt right here I didn't see because of the shadow from the sun coming through. Let's hit those again. In fact, let me go get my stiff brush. Okay, so we're gonna use the stiff bristles to hopefully get in this grain. Try to get rid of the shadow. There you go. The stiff bristles got in there. That looks really good. That looks really nice now. Looks almost brand new. All right, you guys, so we are done with the floors. Everything is looking really nice. We do have floor mats that go over here that I've already cleaned everything because I wasn't planning on making a video today. I cleaned them the other day actually. So here's the dash. It's just mainly dusty. There is some dirt and spots. The door panels turned out really good. I didn't have time to camera on, plus me and the family are out here talking. So we're gonna clean this. We're not gonna use this on the screen, obviously, but I'll show you a couple passes on here and then I gotta get this done. Now in here, I'm not gonna agitate. So I'm just gonna take the diluted and I'm just gonna spray it directly into my towel. A couple spots. And we're just gonna wipe it straight in. Let's go ahead and open this so we can get underneath of it. And all we're just gonna follow it back up with a dry towel. And that looks really, really nice. I don't know if you guys can see these marks on here. I don't know if it's dirt or actual scratches, but we'll find out. Yeah, there's scratches because they're coming back, as you can see. Well, it's on the glove box, but tell you what, guys, I'm happy with this Kraken. It seems to work very well. So I'm gonna finish up the truck and I'll give you my final thoughts on it. All right, you guys, so it is all done. Door panels turned out fantastic. Scratches and stuff, there's absolutely nothing you can do with that. That's not dirt. The floors look good for what they are here in the front. You can just see, once again, where they wiped stuff. Dashboard looks really nice. All the black plastics in here turned out good. Rear door panel. Now the doors have been open, so stuff's been flying in here, but it looks really nice. And driver's rear door looks good. Cleaned out these cup holders there. Once again, scratches and stuff, nothing to do with that. Driver's door, not sure what this is. I did not take it off, but everything else looks nice. Plastics look good. Floor is good. Stuff's been blowing in. Pedals look good. No more brown. Steering wheel, just everything wiped down very nicely. And everything seems to look really good. Very happy with it. All right, you guys, so the Kraken diluted at 10-to-1 worked fantastic. Now, I could have gone a little bit stronger on the rubber floors, but I wanted to keep the dilution ratio at 10-to-1 because I was planning on doing the door panels and the dashboard. Didn't want to go too strong with it. I had no problem with it leaving any type of residue or anything like that behind, which is always important. It did a fantastic job on the back where stuff hadn't been wiped on with chemicals from the guy that had this before. The new guy's gonna be getting it. But the front still looks way better than it did before. It's gonna have floor mats in it anyway. It's gonna cover it up. All around, this product works extremely well, and even in using it on the dashboards and the door panels, I did not spray directly. I sprayed into my microfiber towel and just wiped it, and it took off the soda stains. It took off other stains that were on the door and these areas and stuff. You guys, all around the Kraken, thumbs up. I mean, that works extremely well, you guys. So I plan on eventually having this on my website. By the time this video comes out, will it be? I don't know. Hopefully it will be. But I will put a link in the description of the video where you can find it. If it's on my website, it'll be in there. Otherwise, I'll put you a link in the description to Phoenix EOD's website so you guys can go check it out and see if it's something you guys want to purchase. But I definitely recommend it because look, I used that much, so you can see. So I can probably do several cars with just one bottle. Because you got to remember, most cars don't have this rubber floor that I had to clean with the Kraken. So this bottle here is going to last a long time. It's going to make about 12 or 13 of those 16-ounce bottles right around there because you're only using 1.5 ounces a piece. Is my math right there? Somewhere like that. I don't know. But it's going to make a lot of bottles. A little bit goes a long way, and I can probably get 3 or 4 cars, maybe 5 cars out of that one 16-ounce bottle, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, join the Fab family. Would love to have you. We'll see you in the next video.